Welcome to Learning English with Leanne. Help with writing. Use because, due to, and so to add more to your writing. So you can see we use because and due to say why we do the action. But our sentence structure, our word order is a little bit different. So you can see because we add a subject and verb after because. When we use due to, we need to use a noun or a noun group after. There's no verb after due to. So let's look at our first example. So you can see we have some simple sentences. She made a schedule. We're going to add because, and then why did she make a schedule? Because she changed her courses. So you can see after because you have a subject, she, and a verb, changed. When we use the same sentence and use due to, so she made a new schedule, due to, we add a noun group to finish the sentence. A change in her courses. So we have a noun, a change. Let's do another example. They studied all weekend. We're going to add because, and then we're going to say why did they study all weekend? Because they had exams on Monday. So you can see after because they have a subject, they, and the verb had. When we use due to, they studied all weekend due to plus a noun. Having exams on Monday. Having is a gerund, a noun form. Another example, football was cancelled because, why was it cancelled? It rained all day. Our subject, it, and the verb, rained. When we use due to, the football was cancelled due to the rain. A noun group. So we use so to add more to our sentence and give the result or the effect of the action. So let's look at some examples. First, we start with a sentence. The house was dirty. We use so, and then we want to add the result of the first sentence, the result of the dirty house. What was the result? What did we do because the house was dirty? We cleaned it. The result of a dirty house is we cleaned it. Let's see another example. So we start with a sentence. He was very sick. We use so. What is the result of him being very sick? I took him to the doctor. Another example, they trained very hard, so they were tired and hungry. The result of this hard training, they are tired and hungry, or the effect of working hard, training hard. Another example, they studied for the exam. The result of their study, so they got better grades. He didn't like his major. What is the result of him not liking his major? So he talked to his advisor. And the last example, students missed class. What is the result of students when they miss class? So they didn't know what to do. The result of missing class. They didn't know what to do. So remember, we have so and we add the result to the end of the sentence. We use because and we add why, but we must have the subject and verb, and due to is why, but it must have a noun group after it. So some examples, he missed too many classes. The result, so he failed the course. She achieved all her goals. The result, so she made new ones. He came first in the race. Why? Because he trained very hard. You mustn't give up. Why? Because you can achieve your goals. I can do my studies at home. Why? Due to online classes. Our noun group, online classes. And some classes are difficult. Why? Due to connection problems, our noun group. Practice using so, because, and due to so that you can write more to your sentence. Give some more details about why and the results. Thanks for watching. Please like, share with your friends and subscribe for more videos. To subscribe, press the button in the corner. Thank you.